Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deandra. Welcome if you're new. So today, from the title below, I just want to do a little makeup hack, but this one is from TikTok. Let me know what you guys think about it, if you'll be trying it, if you like it, if your makeup is flawless at the end of it. But before we get into all of this, what I need you guys to do is to like, if you like it, comment, and definitely subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notification, that's the bell right next to the subscribe button, and let's just get right into the video. So far, as you can see, I already did my brows and I want to show you what I have on. This is the Precisely My Brow from Benefit. Looks like this. So you can turn it up on this end, and with this end it's just a spoolie. Okay, so that's the only thing I have on my brows right now. You guys can always find this at Ulta. Let's just dive right into it and see what she's saying.
Wear makeup? Watch. Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first. Then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face. Not too much. Then take some setting spray. It could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first. Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens and how amazing your fucking makeup is gonna look. And it's gonna stay on 24/7 and it's not gonna crease.
Okay, so basically what we're gonna do is moisturize first. I have here the Clinique moisturizer, so let's moisturize. She said to use translucent powder. I'm going to be using the Air Spun that I got from, what did I get this? I got this from Walmart. She said to place that all over. Let's see if this hack is going to work. I'm excited about this. This might be a game changer. So not too much. And there we have it with the translucent powder. Okay, then she said to use some setting spray. So I'm just gonna be using Morphe and Jeffree Star setting spray. Oh, it smells so good. Like strawberries. Alright, then she said we need to go in with a primer. I have two primers here actually. I have one from Makeup Forever. So it's this one. And then I have just the travel size in Milk. I'm going to be using this one. So I couldn't decide. So let's just go ahead, put that on. I don't really have oily skin. I just have combination. So I only oil a little in the T-zone area. So let's make sure that the primer is definitely there. Alright, so now she said that we can go in with our foundation. Let's see. So I'm just going to be using the Maybelline. Let's see, Super Stay foundation. This is full coverage. So let's just go in with this. On this foundation brush is from Juvia's Place. So I'm just gonna be pouncing that around first. Just trying to make sure I cover all of my blemishes. Okay, so I just want to switch from the brush to now my sponge. Make sure it's damp. No dry sponges over here. Make sure it's damp. I just want to smoothen out whatever lines the bristles has left on my face. And listen to me. Maybelline has come a long way with their foundation. But for drugstore, full coverage, hello. I think Maybelline is now the best foundation for drugstore makeup. My opinion. It's just my opinion. Alright guys, so don't forget your neck. I always tell you, get your neck.
A few moments later.
So that's it. Basically, so far I'm kind of liking it. Looks really flawless. So I'm just gonna go on to finish up and do my own thing now. I want my makeup to look a little more, you know, lively. I look a little dead at the moment. So let's just go in with this concealer from Juvia's Place. It's the number 15. Hope you guys can see that. Just want to look a little more awake. Concealer. And just look a little bit more lively. Now here's a trick. With the concealer, the longer you leave it on, the brighter it gets. You don't have to go right in after you place it there and blend it out, okay? Honestly though, this hack, my foundation really looks good. I know we make so many funny faces. So many funny faces when it's time to blend. I don't think anybody can help it. Turn it over just to get those lines. Get those lines out of there. And blend between the foundation and the concealer. Okay, so far so good. Let me just come a little closer so that you can see. Tell me what you think. So far the foundation and everything is actually looking really good. I'm impressed. Let's just set. And I will be using the Sacha Buttercup. Just a yellow powder. And no, I'm not baking, I'm just setting. I'll bake my nose, but nothing else. I don't think I like baking anymore. This is so pretty, oh my God. Everything just looks so matte, you know? Wow. It's a nice summer thing. If it's gonna stay matte like this, doing this in the summer, I'm just gonna be setting the rest of my face. I'm actually using the, what's it called? Black Opal medium powder. Just wiping away some of this banana powder that I can still see. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. So let's just go in with a nice brown lipstick just to finish the look. I'm using Cork from MAC. This brown neutral lip color. Then I'm gonna be going in with Honey Love. This is a natural lip. Nothing special. And guys, I'm gonna be putting lip gloss on. Listen, matte lipsticks are a thing of the past. I'm so over it. So most of my looks, I just love me a good lip gloss. Love it, love it, love it. Oh wait, mascara. So last but not least, I want to put on some mascara from MAC. Just a simple look, and we are all done. So guys, my final thoughts. Honestly, from what I see, I love this hack. So far, my makeup looks flawless. My foundation looks very matte. I'm not an oily skin person on the whole though, so yeah. But I do oil up in the T-zone area from being combination skin. But other than that, I must say, I'm really loving it so far. This hack is amazing. I'm definitely gonna be trying this more often, especially in the summer days when it's so hot. So far my makeup looks really, really matte and I love it. I don't see any creasing, any lines. Oh my God, this is really pretty guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try this hack. Let me know what you think. I hope it works for you like it did for me. I'm loving it so far. My skin looks really flawless. So guys, until the next one, peace, love you, and see you later.